Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba the Hinokami Chronicles 2 game crashing or not launching or lagging issue on Xbox. So if you are also looking for the game to play and coming across this kind of issue, let's go through this video and solve the problem. So the first method is to check for Xbox updates. So you should make sure that your Xbox console is updated to the latest version. So for that, go to settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here, check if there is any update available, and after you update the Xbox, now try to launch the game and check if there is any problem. The next solution is to check for the game update. Apart from checking the console updates, you should also make sure that the game is updated and not running on older version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So don't forget to check whether the game needs any update and do it as soon as possible. Next is to clear the Xbox cache. For that, go to the Xbox symbol and press it, move down and select settings. After that, click on system, then select console info. Now click on reset console and finally select reset and keep my games and apps option. This will clear the cache of the Xbox, and after that try to launch the game and check if it is fixed. The next solution is to check storage. For that, you need to click on Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, and after that click on storage option. Here, check whether there is available space or not. If there is no space, then simply click delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that try to launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press the Xbox button. Now tap on settings under profile and system, then go to account, remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and then click on remove option. Once done, again add the account you want to add and then try to play the game and check if it is fixed. Next is to check network connection. If any kind of internet connection problem occurs, then any kind of issue like crashing or lagging or other kind of issue can occur while playing the game. So you are suggested to see if there is any stable internet connection or not, or else you can also go for another hotspot and then check if it resolves the issue. The next solution is to check for overheating. You should also check whether Xbox is not working because it is overheated or something else. If the Xbox is overheated, then you should stop using it until it gets cooled down. For that, you need to go to settings on your Xbox, then click on system, then click on console info, and here you can check the temperature of the Xbox. If it's high, then simply wait for some time to make it cool and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. The next is to delete saved data. For that, go to Xbox settings, click on my games and apps, select see all option, then click on games. Here select game title and then click on menu button. After that, click on manage game and add-ons and then on saved data. Here delete the saved data and then restart your console. At last, resync all saved games to cloud and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, the next solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click on Xbox button controller, go to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here choose the game and then click on menu button and finally click on uninstall. Once done, open the game again by visiting the official website and from there download it. Once you download it, relaunch the game and check if it's working. still face the same problem after following the above methods, then it's time to take help from the support team. So simply go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the issue. They will better guide what to do and will try to resolve the issue from their end. So these are some solutions suggested to fix the game crashing or not launching or facing another issue on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.